Hey guys. Okay, so hopefully you're only watching this video. Remember about being honest? The video I made a little while ago about being honest and following directions properly and exactly. You are only watching this video if you finished your entire 180-day math packet. Lesson 90 through 100. 100. Okay, if you didn't finish your packet, pause this video and come back to it after you finish it. We're going to go over the whole packet, and I want to make sure you answer the questions, that you've answered them, and that you are giving it your best shot. If you don't know it, who cares? That's okay. It's my job to teach you it, right? So I did this one way, then I changed my mind. I'm going to do it another way. So I have some answers already, and then some is blank. And I want to go over it with you, I decided. And instead of me doing the packet and finding the answer, I can answer it with you. So if you have a question on how to do it, we can do it. Okay? If you don't understand something and you still want help with it, please go in the comments and you're going to write day 90 and then put number 7. Okay? And then I will know what one you want more help with. Okay? So make sure you put the day and the number problem. Okay? What number problem it is. Okay? So I'm going to switch over to my docu camera, and we're going to start doing we're going to grade it. So here we go. This might be kind of a long video, so we're going to try and go as fast as we can, right? Because we know how Ms. Shantan loves to grade this in class also. All right, so the ordinal number for 6 is 6. So whenever we say ordinal number, I'm like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Ordinal means what place, basically. Okay, so we're going to be in 6th place. 9 more than 10 is just going to be 9 plus 19. Remember, I'm going to go really fast. I like to go fast when I do these. 13 minus 9. Okay, that's just a subtraction problem. The answer is 4. Then I have Jeannie gets $2 allowance every week. How much to get for 4 weeks? I just do 4 times 2 to get my answer of $8. The answer is $8. And then it helps. You have a little graph here if you want to count it by, like, so count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then here it says color my circles. This is an oval, but it's still considered a circle. These are not circles. They are not round. All right, moving on. Up here, the lightest animal in the group is going to be the butterfly. That's right. Not the dinosaur, obviously. And most definitely not going to be the lion. It's the butterfly. Super light. Okay. I need to find out how many library books did Brenda check out during the 3rd week. Well, I find Brenda, I find 3rd, and where do they meet? And they meet at 6. So my answer is 6. And then Peter drinks 4 cups of water every day. How many cups of water does he drink in 2 days? So 4 times 2 equals 8 cups. Notice I circled my label. Labels are good. All right, moving on. 91. Remember, going fast. Let's go faster. You're just grading it. If you have questions, we'll ask them afterwards. Okay, write the numeral. So I have, these are rods, right? Each rod has 10, so that's 40, and then my singles is 3, 43. Then I have 4 plus 4 equals 8. I just count them. 15 minus 10, it's just a subtraction problem, equals 5. The missing number, I'm counting by 5. So 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. The answer is 80. What object looks like this solid? Well, this is a little bit skinnier, but it's a whole lot closer than this is, right? So that's not going to be my answer. All right, write the time. Well, my short line comes first, so that's in between 11 and 12, so I go back to 11, so it's 11, and then it's at my 6, which I'm counting by 5s, right? When I count my minutes, I start at 0, then count by 5, so it's 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. My answer is 30. All right, I'm very tired. You tired? Me too. Let's keep going. Okay, 7. I record the graph. So I find Lauren has 7 pairs. So Lauren, 7 pairs. Daniel has 4 pairs. Daniel, 4 pairs. Tanya, 5 pairs. I count 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shaded in. Number 8. Is a house about 15 feet or 15 inches? So remember, a ruler is 12 inches, right? This paper, the biggest part of this paper, the longest part, is 12 inches. So is your house 3 inches more than this paper? 3 inches more? No. Your house is going to be a lot bigger. It's going to be 15 feet. Your dad is probably about 6 feet tall. So could your dad go in a 15-inch house? Probably not. Okay, so 15 feet is going to be the answer. 15 feet. Moving on. Place value of 20. It's not 2, it's 20. What does the 2 represent? It represents the 10 place, the tens place, so it equals 20. Okay, then I have 12 plus 5 is 17. 11 minus 4 is 7. 9 blank 7 equals 16. Well, if I did 9 minus 7, that only equals 2, so it must be plus. Triangles, I have 2, 1, 2. Uno, dos. All right, number 6. Right half, and this is where I decided to just do it with you guys. Okay. Yeah, I know. I change my mind a lot. You guys know this. Number 6. Circle how long it takes to eat lunch. More than an hour, less than an hour. If it took you more than an hour, you're probably at a buffet because Miss Johnson can do some damage at a buffet of sushi. Just throwing it out there, but usually it's less than an hour. And that'd be a really long lunch. All right, how much older is Imogen? Wow, that's a name, Imogen, then Rory. So I want to find Imogen right here, and I find Rory, and I'm just going to count the difference. What is the difference? 3. That's the answer. She is 3 years. I guess we should put years. She is 3 years older. Write the number that has 6 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. So 6 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. 61. 93. Name the shaded fraction. So remember, my bottom number is my units and my top number is how much is shaded. So my bottom number is going to be everything. My bottom number is 1, 2, 3, 4. And how much is shaded goes on top. So my answer should be 1/4. 1/4. Then I do 15 minus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, if I use my fingers, you guys know Miss Johnson hates math. 22. Okay, got it. 18 less than 9 is going to be, that's just 19 minus 8, which equals 11. Ooh, we hate these problems, don't we? So 8 plus 2 equals 10. So 10 minus what also equals 10? 10 minus, and they write this backwards, don't they? Because it really should be, I guess we do it like that, right? It'd be 10 minus 0 equals 10. I was going to say 20, but then it'd be backwards. So that wouldn't work either. So it has to be 0. It can't be 20. If you did 20, use a different color pen here to just show you. If you did 20, this would be a negative. 10 minus 20 would be actually be negative 10. You'll learn more about that in a higher math group. So it can't be 20. It has to be 0. True or false? A prism can have a square or a triangle as a base. A prism can have a square or a triangle as a base. And the answer of this one is a little bit harder, but the answer is true. Because it can be a triangular prism. Like that. Or it can be this is horrible drawing, but that was supposed to be a pyramid, right? And a pyramid is a pyramid prism, which has the square base, or this has a rectangular or triangle base. Moving on. I don't like that question. Write the length. So we're counting the length. So it goes 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3 centimeters. This is correct, by the way. It is true. Just so you know, 3 centimeters. All right. How many more fish did David catch and Jeannie? So I find David. David ends right here. I catch Jeannie. Jeannie ends right here. The difference is 1. 1 fish. 1 fish difference. List all the 1-digit and 2-digit numbers you can make with the digits 4, 3, 6. So all the 1-digit numbers would be 4, 3, 6, right? Can't make any other 1-digit numbers. And then I can do, for 2 digits, I can do 4, 3, and I can do 4 and 6. And I can do the 3, same for 3, 3 and 4, 3 and 6, and then same thing for 6, 6 and 4, 6 and 3. If you can think of another combination, put in the comments and give yourself 10 dots. Don't forget. Moving on. Circle groups of 2. And there are how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 groups of 2. Boom. 14 plus 3 equals 17. Why? They know I don't like doing math. They make me do math. So I like it easier like this, right? This makes more sense for me, especially if I don't like math and I find the answer quicker. The answer is 13. Booyah! 72 plus 25, that's 7. 7, 8, 9, 97. How do I make 97? Well, look it. That was silly. They gave me a plus and a 72. I did more work than I had to. All I had to do was move my 25 over. And it's the same thing. This is my face. Annoyed. I did more math than I had to. I don't like doing math. I did more than I had to. Why didn't you stop me? Thanks. Thanks for your help. I appreciate it. All right, let's go back. You guys are doing great. We're almost there. Kinda. We're almost halfway done. I know it's a long lesson. Go back. Okay. Draw a line of symmetry. There's only one line of symmetry and it has to go straight down the middle. If I do anything else, it's not going to be symmetrical. Record the area. How many rectangles are there? I just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Boom. Okay. Remember area? It's just counting everything inside of it. Number 7, toy train sales last week. How many more trains were sold on Thursday and Friday? So I find Thursday. Thursday is here. Friday is here. And the difference is 1, 2, 3. 3 trains. That is the difference. 3 trains. And I write my unit, right? Number 8, in 1 month, Hillary read 46 books. 46 in 1 month. Her goal was to read 30 books. How many books did she how many more books did she read than her goal? So I'd have to subtract that. So I subtract 46 and 30. My answer is 16. So she read 16 more books than what her goal was. Man, she read a lot of books in 1 month. She read like 2 books, almost 2 books a day, or like a book and a half a day. All right, now we're halfway done. Write the number that comes before 46. That number is 45. 18 plus 2, simple math, that's 20. 11 minus 10 equals 1. Continue the pattern, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl. They're just alternating it, right? The cone, ice cream cone, turn upside down. Got it. Right, then time shown. I start my this number first, then between the 2 and the 3, so I go back to 2. And then it's on counting by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 2, 30, or half, or they want half past, so it should actually just be 2. Sorry. It should just be half past 2. I know it's a weird way of saying it. People don't really talk like that anymore. I don't think my dad talked like that. I don't talk like that. Maybe your parents do. I don't. I say 2:30. Okay, moving on. Counting by 5. So this is a 5, right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4 slash it 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Erasers come in pack of 10s. Miss Kane has 37 students in her class. She wants to give each student an eraser. How many packs of erasers should she buy? So we can do a division problem. Or if we can't do division, we can count by 10s until we get past 37. So we're going to go 10. That's 1 pack. 2 pack is going to be 20. 3 packs is going to be 30, not 40, sorry, 30. And then 4 packs is going to be 40. She's going to have more than she needs, but if she gets 3, she's going to have less than what she needs. So she has to buy at least 4 packs. She's going to have extra, but if she uses erasers like you guys do, she's going to need them. I think you guys eat them. I don't know. Disappear a lot. Number 1, write the numeral 300, 5, 10, 6 ones. So I'm going to write 300, 5 tens, 6 ones. 356. Add this number together. There's 4 there. There's 4 there. There's 4 there. 4, 8, 12. 14 minus 7, quick is 7. That's right. It's a double problem. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 5 plus what equals 6? Or 5 plus what equals 11? That'd be 6. 6 plus 5 equals 11. How many angles does the square have? Angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles. Write the month that comes after July. After July, April, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Good job. We usually come back to school in August. Yay! Favorite pets. How many votes for mice are there? So find mice and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 votes for mice. White, right. Right. The number that is 6 more 10s and 8 more 10s and 8 more 1s and the number 30. I hate these problems. They're so confusing for you guys. So 6 more 10s. So 60 and 8 more 1s. That's 68. So write the number that is 68 more than 30. So 68 and 30, and I'm going to add that together. Okay, so 8, 9. The number is 98. 98. You got that one right? You got pat on the back. That was a hard one. All right, what's going on here? 120 is more, so we're going to do more. 19 plus 5, 24. 89 minus 30. I'm going to drop my 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 5. 59. What plus 10 equals 15? 5 plus 10 equals 15. Moving on, color this shape with 4 sides. All right, I'll tell you a special pen, but we're just going to color it. Get it done. Good job. Which takes up the most space? Let's count the squares to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That one has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is that one. 7 has more. How many cars are blue? So I have blue, so I count them. 5, 10, 15, 21. Sorry, 5, 10, 15, 21. 21. Tim's dad is 74 inches tall. Tim is 46 inches tall. How much does Tim need to grow to be as tall as his dad? So I'm going to do a subtraction problem. I want to find the difference. So Tim is 74. Tim is 56. So I need to subtract that. Oop, I have to borrow 2. So this becomes 6. That becomes 14. 6 minus 14 equals 8. 6 minus 1 equals, he has to grow 18 more inches to be as tall as about a foot and a half. He has a little ways to go. 98, we're halfway done. We're more than halfway done. Color half. Only half is going to be, remember the bottom number is how many parts I have. I have 2 parts, and the top number is what is shaded in. So I'm going to shade in 1 part. Oh, the really messy shading in. It's hard to shade on camera, okay? 4 plus 8 equals 22. 15 minus 4 equals 11. 3 plus 3 equals 6. I need this to equal 6. What number could I use? If you said 14, you were correct. 14, you get to play with numbers too. Play around with them until you find the right number, but 14 minus 8 equals 6. Okay, circle the object that can roll. Can a book roll? No, but a jar of blueberry jam can. Which object would be taller than 1 meter? Remember, 1 meter equals 3 feet. 3 feet, so what's the answer? The hot air balloon is definitely is it gonna be 3 feet tall? No, it's gonna be way taller. Way taller, okay? This is going to be like, I don't know, 4 inches maybe? So way, way smaller. Okay, which sport do both of the boys play? Blah. So Tracy, I'm assuming, is a girl. So Mark only plays soccer. Tracy only, well, I guess Tracy could be a boy, but they only do swimming. What, both boys? No, Tracy's a girl. So Mark and Mike both play baseball. That was kind of a tricky one, I feel like. All right, Juan rides his bike for 5 miles. He walks 2 miles and roller skates for 4 miles. If he walks 3 more miles, how many more miles would he have walked in all? So we just add all these together. We're gonna add everything, all the numbers. If he walks 3 more miles, how much we walk in all? So we're gonna do, I'm gonna combine these two. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then I'm gonna combine 4 and 3, also equals 7. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. And I just try to do a little easier math, but if you need to add them all together, you're still doing the same thing. So he's 17. He would have walked 14 miles. They're trying to trick you with that wordage, so be careful. 2 more lessons. We got it. We got it. We really, really got it. 2 more lessons. You miss me? I miss you. Okay. 2 more lessons. Here we go. Boom. 99. Write the number for 272. 272. Easy peasy. Double 4 equals, just count the double 4. Don't count the other one. Double 4 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Same thing. They're trying to trick you. If you count all the numbers, you're going to be wrong. 16 minus 10 is 6. Ha ha. You are not going to trick me again. You are not tricking me again. I'm not going to do any extra math than I need to, so I'm going to look at the entire problem first, which is what you should do. Look at the entire problem first. Look at, they have 52 here. They have a plus again, so all I have to do is write 28 again. Moving on. Draw the front view of the solid. The front view is going to be this, so I would just draw an oval. Okay, this is just the front view. All right, is a car longer or shorter than a yard? Remember, a yard is how many feet? 3 feet. So a car is going to be longer. Flower shop orders. I have a rose for 16 daisies. What's the total number of flowers ordered? I have to, oh my goodness, lots of math. So I have to add all these together. So the easiest way for me to do this is I'm going to combine. So I'm going to do 15 and 25. That is 40. So I have 40 plus 16 and 23. That's 9. That's 39. 40 plus 39 is 9, 4, 5, 6, 7. My answer is 79. Remember, use your paper. Use it like I do. It's okay to do that. It's okay to use your paper to find the answer. Total number of flowers ordered, 79. Which 2 plane shapes have only curved lines? Which 2 plane shapes have only curved lines? Okay, so first of all, plane means a shape. Okay, it could be a 3D shape or it could be a 2D shape. Okay, so which 2 plane shapes have only curved lines? So if I brought some examples of that real quick to show you. So I have a cube that has a lot of straight lines and no curved lines. Okay, and then I have a cylinder, and my cylinder has a nice curved line, but it also has an edge, so that's not going to be considered, right? And then I have a sphere. A sphere has no straight lines. It only has curved lines. It's only going to be, it can roll all the way, no matter what way it can roll, right? So it does not have straight lines. It only has curved lines. So we're going to put sphere is our first one. And now I want you to think of a 2D shape. Remember, 2D shape means it doesn't pop out. It's not 3D. It doesn't even look 3D. Even looking at it right now on my paper, it's going to be a circle. A circle does not have any straight lines. It only has curved lines. So it's going to be a sphere and a circle. It's going to be the answer for that question. If you got that one right, good job. That was a hard one. Last page. We did it. We did it. We really, really did it. Okay, circle 1, or number 1. Circle about how many phones are in your house. Probably 3. Even if they're cell phones, you probably have closer to 3. Even if you have a family of 6, then you're going to have to 50. Unless you have 50 people in your house or close to 50, you're probably going to have 3. Okay, 17 plus 5. That's going to be, what is that, 22? 22. I had a brain fart for a second. 22. 12 minus 6. So that's 6 double question. So it's going to be 6. Kyle mows 4 lawns every week for extra money. He charges $2 to mow a lawn. How much does he make? How much does he make after 4 weeks? Whew, is a lot of problems. Okay, so he does 4 lawns every week, and he charges $2 to mow a lawn. So that's our first problem. So 4 times 2 equals, this should be dollars, equals $8. Okay, but then he does it for 4 weeks. So now I have to do 8 times 4, $8 times 4, which is $32. In 4 weeks, he'll make $32. Man, and I could do this by doing 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, right? I'm just doing 8 4 times. Okay, so my answer is 32. Circle the plane figure. So plane is going to be, it doesn't say 3D or 2D. So we're going to go with 2D because the other two are the same. So, boom. Circle the heaviest item. The heaviest item, apple, blueberry, or pineapple. Probably going to be the pineapple. 30 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5, 10, 15. 5, 5, 5. Whoops. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 tally marks. Marcus wakes up at 7 a.m. He is awake for 13 hours. Then he goes to bed. What time does he go to bed? Well, the answer to this is going to be 8 p.m. And I could just do that by counting 7 and all the way around. So 7, I'm going to add my finger. So it's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Puts me at 10 hours, 5 o'clock, 6, 7, 8. And I went all the way around the clock. I passed noon. So that means I'm at PM now. So you're just adding 13 hours. And you cannot add 13 to 7 because that's going to give you a mathematical problem, not an hour problem. Remember, you start over after you hit 12. You go back to 1 and you start the PM or the AM if you're going backwards. All right, that was it. You guys are awesome. Miss you guys so much. I'm starting to go a little bit crazy talking to myself and everything else that I'm doing was kind of crazy. But hope you had fun. Grade it. If you have questions, put in the comments below. Thank you. I sound like a YouTuber. Make sure you subscribe to my lesson and click like. Just kidding. There's no like. There's no subscribe. Just comment. Google Classroom if you have a question. Bye, guys.